This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Kistler. Impeccable and popular Amelia floor plan, featuring a design to accentuate and highlight the waterfront and marina at Tarpon Point, is now available for your viewing pleasure. This brighт and spacious residence is comprised of 3-bedroom ensuites, a private study, powder room, living and dining area, chef's delight kitchen with hardword cabinets and granite countertops. Upgraded custom molding throughout. New microwave, oven, dishwasher, water heater and air conditioner have been recently installed. Relax and enjoy the sunrise and sunset from 3 terraces available. Particularly noteworthy is the private enclosed 2-car garage located just steps from your lobby entrance and private elevator. Enjoy your private waterfront resort-style pool and spa, clubhouse with fitness center, gathering room, and outdoor barbecue area. Marina Village located directly on the boardwalk offers custom boutiques, art galleries, day spa, fine and casual dining are all within walking distance from your home. Residents have access to the deep water marina docking vessels to 100 feet. If you're looking for luxury, pet-friendly living at a great value, this is a must-see. For more information, review the details.